Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. I am bringing you guys laundry motivation today. I've never done this before, but I had lots and lots of washing to be done, and obviously with the rains one couldn't wash and hang stuff outside. But yeah, I decided you guys deserve a treat on how I do my laundry. So yeah guys, I hope you get motivated into doing your own laundry, and don't forget to smash that like button.
I have this straw blanket here that are done washing. We have load shedding now, so I have to wait for the power to come back before I continue with the washing. And then here I also have clothes that needs to be taken out and hung. I also have clothes that needs to be hung here, and then I have the kids tracksuits and some bedding and whites and some gym clothes here. This side, because it was raining, so this side I have more of towels and longer clothes, and then here I have the smaller types like kids t-shirts and bottoms. And luckily this washing line, this smaller one, is actually the one that hangs the most stuff. So yeah, but now I need to go and hang the rest of the stuff that's still in the machines on the outside because we have a little bit of sun. So yeah guys,
so the next step was to start folding all these towels and everything else that needed folding, because luckily for me everything got nice and dry with having to take everything outside into the sun to So now we move on to ironing, you guys. I know this is not my favorite part of doing laundry, but it had to be done nevertheless. So yeah, I really braved myself here and I did actually quite a bit of ironing on this particular day. I just want to mention something here, you guys. Inside this glass jar, I have a mixture which I'm actually decanting into that low spray bottle you guys see me using. So I actually mix my scent boosters and I also use softener and water, and I just mix all those up and just make my ironing water. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching up until this far. I managed to do everything on my list, which was whilst I was doing washing, I was busy cleaning. And yeah, even though this stretched over 2 days, I'm still impressed that I managed to do everything. And I hope you guys did find motivation into doing laundry. And yeah, but anyways, please don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do the right thing and smash that subscribe button. And with that said, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.